Recycling Australian plastics is important to Geofabrics and our customers. In line with that, we've developed Bidim Green, which utilises Australian-sourced recycled material to produce a premium quality geotextile product.
For many years, Australia has exported its plastics content overseas, and with the ability for Australia to export plastics overseas being somewhat restricted as of 2019, that really was a basis for Geofabrics to look at how we can solve the problem of reducing waste to landfill, and at the same time to provide our customers with a product that they can use in their infrastructure projects that is green and sustainable, and it assists in building Australia's infrastructure. Bidim Green achieves both of those goals. We reduce waste to landfill, we solve a very significant problem in Australia in what to do with our waste now that the opportunity for exporting that waste has largely been removed, and we also give our customers a green and sustainable product for their projects. Bidim Green is the only manufactured geotextile in Australia that utilises recycled Australian content.
The raw materials we use are Australian recycled content, and this is basically a drink bottle converted to a chip, which we use in our process.
With the addition of Bidim Green, Geofabrics is the only manufacturer of a geotextile that uses Australian-sourced recycled plastics.